Rahul Ishwar and Mr. Bukhari. Rahul Ishwar, 2 points before I get you into the debate with Mr. Bukhari. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Rahul Ishwar, hold your thoughts for a minute. And I want to tell you, there have been 1 second, 1 minute, Mr. Bukhari.
और मैं एक बात कह दूं अर्नब साहब, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए प्लीज। इनकी जो पूरी थ्योरी है, ये सब पूरा एक्शन है, ये इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड मुस्लिम्स। मैं क्लियरली एक बात कहूं कि इनका पूरा मोटिव मुसलमानों के खिलाफ है। हमारे साथ तो मुसीबत है कि हम आईसिस की वजह से भी और यहाँ पे भी है हिंदुस्तान
तो
दोनों तरफ, एक तरफ भाई है।
Who's scared? Rahul, 1 second. Rahul, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Understand a couple of things, okay? This group says, 4 points to you before you give me your 3 points. 1, this group says we want to fight the ISIS. Like the ISIS, this group calls for taking to arms to form a separate religious state. Right? 2, like the ISIS, this group establishes a system of indoctrinating small children, 6, 7, 8-year-old children to take on arms. Like the ISIS, they are using the name of religion to resort to violence. Like the ISIS, they are supporting the idea of taking law into their own hands. Like the ISIS, they are supporting the idea of violent extremism. And people take offense and say, don't go too far if you say that there's a comparison between them and the ISIS. I mean, of course there is. You say you want to fight the ISIS, but you seem to be mirroring them. This is dangerous. And you tell me, Rahul Ishwar, you tell me, in this country, someone give me a written guarantee.
3 quick points.
Someone give me a written guarantee that these weapons, which are not toys, will not be used in communally sensitive situations in Uttar Pradesh in a pre-election year. You tell me, give me a guarantee. Nobody can, even Chetna ji cannot give me a guarantee. Rahul Ishwar into the debate, and after that, Naveen Chopra. Rahul Ishwar first.
Yes. ये राम और रहीम का मामला नहीं है, हमारा देश का मामला है। सेकंड, as a responsible patriotic secular Indian, let me appreciate Times of India and Times Now for investigating this matter.
No, Rahul.
ये राम और रहीम का मामला नहीं, इससे देश का मामला है।
Rahul,
hold on, just hold on.
No, you hold on, Rahul. You hold on, Rahul. You tell me, you trust this group. One second, you trust this group over your army, your paramilitary forces, and your police to take on the ISIS? You trust this group. We're a cottage industry. What are we? Banana Republic.
Let me put my argument. The best way to manage a hardliner is take them into confidence. If they are not resorting to violence, if they are not terrorists, if they are just hardliners,
what's your guarantee that they won't?
The best way to deal with
what's your guarantee that they won't? What's your guarantee that they won't?
No, make them softliners.
Rahul.
Second point. India is a secular nation. Hold on. India is a secular nation because majority of Indians are secular. Because majority community is secular. Pakistan is not a secular nation.
आप ISIS के नाम पे मुसलमानों के खिलाफ खड़े हो रहे हैं। आप नफरत की आग फैला रहे हैं, बढ़ा रहे हैं। और दूसरी तरफ
if a community feels insecure, the stage has failed in reassuring them. The stage has failed in reassuring them.
यूपी गवर्नमेंट ने हाथ लगाया है, वो फरमा तो रहे हैं कि ये
Instead of branding them terrorists, take them into confidence. Instead of arresting them, make Gaurav Bhatia talk to them. Take them into confidence. Give them confidence. The system will protect. You are conducting.
So there is 1 second.
Accept them, talk to them, and engage with them.
No, 1 minute. Okay, Mr. Bukhari wanted. Mr. Bukhari, tell me. Mr. Bukhari, I want to ask Chetna ji a few questions. Please tell me. Because I will ask you, but let me ask Chetna ji a few questions. Chetna ji, only 4 questions to you. Please give me specific replies, huh? Because you are saying ISIS is going to invade Western UP, right? ISIS are a Western
Not only Western UP, it's India.
India, okay. Okay. Now tell me. And you are preparing to tackle ISIS. Okay.
No.
Okay. Now tell me. अरे भाई चेतना जी, you have not understood my question. You first listen to my question. My question is, please tell me, आपके पास कोई इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो की टिप ऑफ है जो हमें पता नहीं है, देश को पता नहीं है, सरकार को पता नहीं अबाउट द आईसिस इन्वेजन ऑफ इंडिया? ये कब होने वाली है? ये आईसिस इन्वेजन कब हो रही है? जो आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, लोगों को प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, स्वॉर्ड्स दे रहे हैं, पिस्तौल में ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं, मारने काटने की ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं, ये कब होने वाली है?
जब आप मेरी बात सुनने के लिए
आप मेरी बात बताइए ना, कब होने वाली है? When is this going to happen?
मैं बोलूं?
Yes. You are preparing these children to fight ISIS, no? You are saying you're
पहले
preparing
आप
these
बोलिए,
children to fight ISIS. So
आप
please tell
बोल
me,
लीजिए, फिर मैं
have you
बोलूं।
got some? Have you
मैं
got the?
बोलूं क्या?
Have you got some?
आप मुझे सुनना नहीं चाह रहे। आप मुझे सुनना नहीं चाह रहे।
You tell me what are the atrocities committed by ISIS in Western Uttar Pradesh? What are the atrocities committed by ISIS in Western Uttar
This is no
Pradesh?
way to ask questions.
I am asking you the question in which I want. Don't shout at me. Which is the way?
Try to listen me.
No, I am listening
to listen me.
You tell me. Tell me about the ISIS. आपके पास ISIS के बारे में क्या information है? जो आप prepare कर रहे हैं बच्चों को?
I am requesting you.
I will.
To listen
Please.
me. Listen me.
Miss, you tell me. Answer my question.
Now I start.
You answer my question. What is the information that? No, you answer my question. What is? Listen to my question. You must share with the viewers tonight. You must share. No, ma'am. You must share with the viewers tonight what information you have.
This is